Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a quick 10-second trick on how I make my downturned eyes look a little bit more uplifted and less turned down. And this is something that if you guys have been following me for a while, you've already seen and you probably know what this is going to be about. But for all of you who are new to my channel or who maybe haven't watched my Get Ready With Me's, you may not know about this. And it is so super quick and easy. So this isn't a hooded eye trick, even though I do have hooded eyes, but this is more for someone who has the eyes that kind of look like they turn down at the outer corner and kind of make you look a little bit sad. So this definitely helps. It only requires using one product and takes about 10 seconds to do. You don't need any special skills. So let's go ahead and jump into the demo. All right, guys, so here's a close-up look at my eyes, and as you can see, they kind of turn down in the outer corners here. And the reason for that is because there's a little kind of flap of skin that comes down from my eyelid, and it makes a little crease right here just on the edge, and that creates a dark shadow. So I'm going to take a little bit of this peach corrector from Pixi Beauty, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my ring finger, and I'm going to just put that corrector right on that dark shadow to just hide that and brighten it up a little bit. And that's going to give the illusion that my eyes aren't as downturned anymore. So as you can see, just like that, my eye looks like it goes up a little bit more instead of down over here on this side. So this trick is just an easy way to make my eyes look a little bit lifted and less downturned, and it's so easy. It gets even better once you add some concealer to the outside of your eye. It just brightens everything up and it makes that shadow go away. So I'm just going to do quickly the same thing to the other eye. And there you go. They look much less downturned than they did before. So anyway, guys, that's the entire trick, and you don't necessarily have to use this Pixi corrector. I know that Believe Beauty makes one from Dollar General. The only thing I would say about that one, though, is that it's a little bit more sheer. So I found that when I use that one, it doesn't have quite as much of an effect. This one is so pigmented that once you dab it on, it covers everything. So if you use a corrector that's a little bit more on the sheer side, especially one that's in a liquid form, you may not have quite as good of a result. So I would grab the thickest formula that you can, and then of course you're going to want to cover it with concealer because it's going to leave a little bit of like a peachy tone to your skin. I know that Becca makes one. I used to have it years ago, and that was before I was doing this trick, so I'm not quite sure how that one works for this, but the Pixi one works amazing. I think it's only around 12 bucks, so it's not super expensive, and these pots last forever because you really don't need that much of it. You can also use this for like the darkness on the inner corners of your eyes that maybe concealer doesn't cover all the way. Put this down first and then put the concealer over it, and it's like magic. It covers everything so much better. I also use it sometimes underneath my eyes. It even works great on like the dark spots that are on my cheeks from the sun. If I put this on first and then layer again my foundation on top and concealer, it works perfectly. So anyway, guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. Also, if there are any other videos like this that you would like to see me do with tips and tricks or how-tos, I can definitely put that together. If I get a lot of responses for one thing or a lot of likes on a certain comment, then I'll know that you guys are interested. So definitely leave those down below. Just to let you guys know, I'm not a makeup artist. These are just tips and tricks that I've picked up over the years. I've been playing with makeup since I was a kid, and I'm in my 40s now, so I've picked up a lot of things along the way. So if that's something that interests you, definitely let me know. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go as well, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.